This is the new Aston Martin Vantage. It's a truly stunning car, and I designed a 3D printable 1/10 scaled version of it. Here it is. I've started designing this alongside with the AMG GT63, so the design and the assembly process are similar between the two. If you haven't seen this, go check it out. Parts are separated based on their color, so painting is not necessary. You can just paint the small pieces to add some details like I do. This blue filament is the same filament I printed my first Mustang with back in 2021. So because it's old, prints had some imperfections. Geometrically it was point, but it started shiny and become dull for some reason. Happened on most of the parts. And quarter panels on the door had these visible lines. So I spray painted the blue one. White one is not painted. Adhesives I am using are these. Left one is a regular CA glue and the right one is a slow curing glue, which gave me some time to align the parts. Start by gluing the door handles to the doors. Do a dry fit before gluing anything. The middle bracket locks into the door and holds the quarter panels and front fenders. Do the same thing for the other side. Side skirt attached like this, but I am skipping these for now. I'll add them after painting. I printed these two attached the two sides together. This will make the assembly easier. Use only 5mm M3 screws to attach these. If you use longer ones, you will punch a hole through the parts. Assemble this middle bracket also, but do not glue. After this, it's straightforward. Just follow along. Windshield and rear glass are not glued yet. I put them in to align the pieces. I'll glue them after painting. The body panels are glued together and ready for painting. I'll mask the middle bracket and the mating surfaces. It looks like this after painting. Just spray painted, by the way, no primer and no sanding. It has some imperfections if you look at some certain angles, but I'm happy with it. At least now the color is uniform. The grills are printed with honeycomb infill and without the top surface. These pieces on taillights are really thin. I printed them with the highest quality print settings. They slot in fine, but if you are having problems, try scaling a little, or print them all in one piece. I'll share them like that separately. This piece is to add some detail behind the grille. You can paint it like this to give it a radiator look. I have also separated the headlights to small pieces to make the painting easier. You can also print them with different colored filament if you don't want to paint them. With the headlights assembled, the body is completed. And here is the display chassis. It uses mostly the same parts with AMG GT63 chassis, so assembly is mostly the same. Tires are printed with Isan TPE, and wider tires are for the rear. I'll paint the edges of the wheels. You can use a fine brush or a toothpick. With the toothpick, I find it a little easier. The hardware I'm using are 8mm, 15mm and 25mm metric 3 screws. And it's done. This is just a static model for now. For the RC version, I will make a separate video. Servo in this position is too tall and interfering with the hood. I need to either rotate the servo or relocate it to something like this, which means a whole front end redesign. If you decide to print one for yourself, please share your make. I love to see them. And the next car will be a special one, so don't forget to subscribe.